Hey everyone, Curiosity here. Welcome back to my channel. Ever wish your bank account would grow while you're off enjoying life? Well, today, we're diving into the best passive income ideas for those aged 40 to 70. Because let's be real, working forever isn't the plan, right? So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's unlock the secrets to making money while you sleep. Alright, let's kick things off with real estate, a classic way to generate passive income. Real estate has been a tried and true method for building wealth for generations. And no, you don't need to be a millionaire to get started. With the right strategy and a bit of research, anyone can dive into the real estate market. First up, we have rental properties. These can be single-family homes, multifamily units, or even condos. Think about it. You buy a property, find some good tenants, and boom! You've got a monthly income stream coming in like clockwork. It's a steady and reliable way to build wealth over time. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Curiosity, dealing with tenants sounds like a headache. The thought of late-night calls and maintenance issues can be daunting. And you know what? Sometimes it can be, but every investment comes with its challenges. But that's where property managers come in. They can be a game changer for landlords. For a small percentage of the rent, they handle everything from finding tenants and collecting rent to dealing with maintenance requests. This allows you to enjoy the benefits without the day-to-day hassles. It's like having a personal assistant for your property. They take care of the nitty-gritty, so you can focus on growing your portfolio. But hey, maybe being a landlord isn't your thing. That's totally cool. There are other ways to invest in real estate without the hands-on approach. You can still tap into the power of real estate with REITs or real estate investment trusts. These are perfect for those who prefer a more passive investment. These are like little baskets of real estate properties that you can invest in through the stock market. They offer diversification and professional management. You're essentially buying shares of companies that own and manage properties, so you get to enjoy the benefits of real estate investing without actually having to deal with, well, any actual real estate. It's a win-win. And if you're looking for something a little more hands-on but still super flexible, let's talk about short-term rentals. Got a spare room? Or maybe a vacation home that sits empty for months? Platforms like Airbnb have made it easier than ever to turn those spaces into money-making machines. It's a fantastic way to maximize the use of your property. You get to set your own prices, choose your own availability, and meet people from all over the world. It's a unique blend of hospitality and entrepreneurship. You get to set your own prices, choose your own availability, and meet people from all over the world. Plus, who doesn't love a little extra cash to spice up their travel fund? That sounds like an amazing passive income idea. Imagine someone else paying for your mortgage while you sip a cocktail on a beach. Sounds nice, right? With the right approach, passive income from real estate can turn that dream into a reality. Now let's talk about putting your money to work in the stock market. This is one of the most effective ways to grow your wealth over time. Don't worry, you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to make this work. With the right strategies, anyone can benefit from the stock market. We're starting with dividend stocks. These are a great way to earn passive income. These are shares of companies that pay you a portion of their profits just for being a shareholder. It's a simple and effective way to earn money. It's like getting a little bonus check every quarter just for owning a piece of the company. Imagine the joy of receiving these regular payments. And the best part? You can reinvest those dividends to buy even more shares, which means even more passive income down the road. This strategy can significantly boost your returns over time. It's the magic of compounding in action. The more you reinvest, the more your money grows exponentially. But hey, maybe you're not ready to pick individual stocks. It can be a daunting task, especially if you're new to investing. I get it. It can feel overwhelming. The stock market has so many options, and it's easy to feel lost. That's where index funds and ETFs come in. These investment vehicles simplify the process. These are like pre-built portfolios that track a specific market index, like the S&P 500. They offer a hands-off approach to investing. You're essentially investing in hundreds of companies at once, which is a great way to diversify your portfolio and reduce risk. Diversification is key to a balanced investment strategy. Plus, index funds and ETFs are known for their low fees, which means more money in your pocket over the long run. Lower fees can significantly impact your overall returns. Now, if you're looking for something a little more stable and predictable, let's talk about bonds and CDs. These are great for conservative investors. These are considered fixed income investments, which means they pay out a set interest rate over a specific period of time. They offer stability and predictability. They're not going to make you rich quick, but they're a great way to preserve capital and generate some passive income with relatively low risk. They provide peace of mind for many investors. The best part? You don't have to check your investments daily. You can relax and let your money grow. Just let them do their thing. Over time, you'll see the benefits of your investments without the stress of constant monitoring. Digital product powerhouse. Share your knowledge, earn passive income. Let's move into the digital world, where you can turn your knowledge and skills into passive income streams. The internet has opened up endless opportunities for anyone willing to share what they know. First up, we have ebooks. These digital books can cover any topic under the sun. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What subjects do you find yourself constantly exploring or talking about? What do people always ask you for advice on? Your unique insights could be valuable to others. Whatever it is, chances are you can turn that knowledge into an ebook that people will pay to read. It's a fantastic way to share your expertise. And the beauty of ebooks is that once you write it, you can sell it over and over again without any extra effort. It's a one-time effort for a long-term reward. It's like printing money while you sleep. Imagine waking up to sales notifications. But hey, maybe you're more of a visual learner, or you prefer to teach in a more interactive way. Different people have different learning styles. That's where online courses come in. They allow you to create a structured learning experience. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable make it easier than ever to create and sell courses on virtually any topic. These platforms provide the tools you need to reach a global audience. You can teach people how to code, how to cook, or even how to play a musical instrument, how to start a business, or manage their finances effectively. How to knit, the possibilities are endless. Your hobbies and skills can become valuable lessons for others. And if you're feeling creative, let's talk about printables and digital downloads. These can be a fun and profitable way to share your creativity. These are things like budgeting sheets, planners, artwork, and more. Templates. Anything that people can download and use digitally or print at home. The demand for these products is growing. Platforms like Etsy are perfect for selling these types of products, providing a marketplace for your digital creations, and they can be a great way to generate some passive income on the side. Diversifying your income streams is always a smart move. If you've got wisdom to share, which, let's be honest, you do, there's no reason not to turn it into a product. Why not turn it into a product? The digital world is waiting for your contributions. Affiliate marketing. Get paid to share what you love. Now, let's talk about affiliate marketing, which is basically getting paid to recommend products and services that you love. It's like being a brand ambassador, but without the pressure of being a celebrity. One of the most popular ways to do affiliate marketing is through blogging and YouTube. You create content around a specific niche or interest, and then you sprinkle in affiliate links to products or services that you recommend. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. But hey, you don't have to be a blogger or YouTuber to make affiliate marketing work for you. You can also do it through social media. If you've got a decent following on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, you can start sharing affiliate links in your posts and stories. Just make sure you're transparent about your affiliate relationships and that you're only recommending products that you genuinely believe in. You're already telling your friends about great products. Why not get paid for it? Automated businesses, the ultimate passive income dream. All right, let's wrap things up with the holy grail of passive income automated businesses. These are businesses that practically run themselves, so you can sit back, relax, and watch the money roll in. First up, we have dropshipping. This is a business model where you sell products online without actually holding any inventory. When someone places an order, you simply forward the order details to your supplier, and they handle the shipping and fulfillment. It's a great way to start an e-commerce business without the hassle of managing inventory. Next, we have Amazon FBA, which stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. With this model, you send your products to Amazon's fulfillment centers, and they handle the storage, packing, shipping, and customer service. It's like having your own personal army of warehouse workers and customer service reps. And finally, Let's not forget about the OG automated businesses, vending machines, and ATMs. These may not be the sexiest businesses in the world, but they can be surprisingly lucrative. Find a good location with high foot traffic, stock it with products that people actually want, and watch the cash flow in. Making money without lifting a finger? Yes, please. There you have it. Whether you want to be a real estate mogul, a digital product genius, or just collect those sweet, sweet dividends, there's a passive income stream for you. So, which one sounds best to you? Comment below and let's start building that financial freedom. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching.